Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mazda key battery. First, gather your tools. A new CR 2025 or CR 2032 coin cell battery, depending on your specific key fob model, and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually near the key ring loop. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you will see the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2025 or CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Now, it's time to test your newly re-energized key fob with your Mazda. Make sure all buttons function correctly and that your car responds as expected. If you're looking for more ways to improve your life, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.